it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for coming in for another video today. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up, give this video a like, and I would appreciate it. If you are brand new to my channel, my name is Odette. Come on in and you're welcome on my channel. It's a beauty and skincare channel. I am 60 years old and I share with you guys lots of amazing skincare products that you can use to achieve beautiful skin. Yes, you can. You can definitely achieve beautiful skin. I started my skincare journey about 2.5 years ago, and I have used some beautiful, amazing products from the drugstore. One or two of them could be high-end, but the majority of the products that I've used on my skin really worked, and they are from the drugstore. So follow my YouTube channel, follow my website. You guys are going to get some really good information. So today, like I said, we're going to talk about what's on my makeup tray for the month of August, and we're going to talk about a lot of beautiful things, and we're just going to get started. And so I repurchased this product from the dollar store. I showed you guys this before. This is from Spascriptions. You do have one peel off mask in this set, and you do have 4 wash off masks as well, and of course it does come with a spatula. Because I love this brand so much, and because I love this product so much, and I've showed you guys a few things from Spascriptions from Dollarama, I did repurchase this package, and I think somebody had won this at one time in a giveaway, but this one is for myself. You do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, it's a 6-piece set. Again, 4 wash off mask and 1 is a peel off. It is really good. I'm going to be doing a demonstration in this for you guys. And this is witch hazel. I've added witch hazel to my beauty and skincare basket or tray for the month of August. And this is always good, you know, if you have like cuts and bruises and scrapes and stuff like that. Sometimes, you know, you may have some of those hangnails that's hurting your fingers, or maybe that peeled skin, or if you have, like, let's say again, a cut and a bruise somewhere. I always like to have witch hazel. You can get this from Amazon. This, if you live in the UK, you can get this particular brand from Boots. Okay, this is really good to have just around, just for emergency cuts and bruises. And I don't think I've shown you guys this bath and shower gel before. I got this from the grocery store, and this is the almond scent. This smells, oh my god, this smells so good. If you live in Canada, Food Basics, you can get this. Okay, this is a massive tub, and because this is just like a generic brand, and because I love this so much, I picked up another one. Yes, here it is. I know. And this one here is the coriander and olive oil scent. I mean, these things, they last a lifetime. Do you want to just take a picture of this right now? These are so beautiful, and they smell amazing on your skin. Absolutely amazing. And of course, I threw in some cotton pads again in my tray. I use these all the time, especially when I'm doing my toners, or I'm using my 2% BHA from Paula's Choice. I always like to have a whole bunch of these in my makeup and skincare tray. And I've added this again for the month of August. Next, I do have this bottle of castor oil. This is from Amazon. This is a Canadian brand. One of my very good friends got me onto this. This is not one of those castor oil that you have to drink, people. I don't know why you people are drinking castor oils. And if you want to be able to find the really good castor oil, you're looking for castor oil in a bottle, and it has to be dark. This is so good. I use this on my feet, on my knees, on my elbows. I put a little bit of this with conditioner in my units. I use this on my hair as well, and I put a little bit of this in my skincare creams as well before I put this on my skin. This is really good. I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys. This is from Amazon. And I've added this face brush back to my tray for the month of August. Of course, you can see it's a little bit yellowish. That's because I have been using it. This is so lovely. I hardly use this side, although the pinky side is a very, very, very soft rubber, but I tend to use this a little, just give my chin a gentle massage, or you do have 2 thick muscles coming down the neck. and I just like to give this a gentle massage when I'm in the shower, and this really helps to detox the body as well. These two thick muscles right here in the neck, that's where I use this. But other than that, I use this very soft side. And I think sometimes a lot of people think that if you're using, or if you're going to buy a face brush, it has to be rough, it has to be harsh. No, your face brushes has to be gentle, and this is a very gentle face brush, and I think this is from Amazon. So this is back in my basket for August. Next in my tray for the month of August, I do have these beautiful moisturizing cleansing wipes. These are the Sephora brand. I do have a couple of these. I'm going to be traveling soon, so it's on my suitcase right now. But these are so cute. It smells like strawberries. This is so pretty. You can put this in your bag. For example, if you're going to be going out after work, you can refresh your lipstick, because sometimes your lips get a little bit dry. You can refresh your makeup. You can just clean your makeup brushes, whatever it is you want to do. So cute, so nice and small for travel. Again, it smells like strawberries. And again, this is from Sephora. This is in my tray. Next, I do have this 3-in-1 cleansing wipes. Now, I don't use these cleansing wipes on my face. The only cleansing wipes I use on my face are from Neutrogena, because I find them to be very moisturizing and it keeps my skin nice and soft. So for example, when I'm done using my makeup, I like to just use one of these wipes to clean the edges of my bottle, or maybe just on the top of any bottle, for example, like my primer and all of that, because I really hate to see makeup at the top of, oh my god, it really irks me. So I always like to make sure that's nice and clean. Or if I'm doing a very simple makeup look that day and I don't really want to put my brushes in water, I'm just going to take one of these and just wipe my brushes down and put it back. And these are going to be always in my tray. Next, I do have this product here from Rare Beauty. I've already done a makeup look and review using this product. This is a Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. I love this product so much. I'm going to be using this for the rest of the summer, going into the fall, next winter, next spring, next summer. I'm going to be using this every single day. My shade is 44N, so if you do have my skin tone, this product is for you. And the product ranges for Rare Beauty is so diversified. I am so impressed, because my skin is completely cleared up and I'm not wearing any makeup today, because back in the days I could not find a tinted moisturizer that would work for my skin, because my skin was in poor condition to begin with, right? But this is an amazing product. I'm going to link the video for you guys to just take a look if you want to see the review on this product. Absolutely love it. 44N tinted moisturizer from Rare Beauty. And I repurchased this product from Aveda, and yes, this is a skincare product. This is in my tray for the month of August. This is from the Stress Fix line. The one that I had before, I went through that in a matter of maybe, I don't know, 3-4 months. The product is so good. It smells wonderful, and I find it to be very, very relaxing. I talked about this before. I use this at nighttime if I feel like my body is really, really stressed out and I want to feel that sense of calmness. This works for me. I'm not quite sure if this is a placebo effect or what, but I really swear by these products, and they are so good. And it's from Aveda, and there it is if you want to just take a quick shot of that. But I'm going to leave this in the description box. And again, it's from the Stress Fix line, and it's a body lotion. And I do have some other products from this line that works really well as well. Okay. Next in my tray for the month of August, I do have this product here from Vasanti. I swear by this product line. This product line is a brightening skincare line. I absolutely love their product. This is the Rose Water and Pomegranate Toning Refreshing Spray. You would have seen this on Instagram. I absolutely love this. The minute you spray this on your face, your skin becomes so fresh. Your skin feels totally calm. And all you need is just a little bit of this on my face. I'm not wearing any makeup today, as you guys can see, but this is an amazing spray. I do love facial sprays, especially in the summertime, because it keeps you nice and cool. I sometimes travel on the train, and when I feel really hot, I will pull out my spray and I'm going to spray my face, because I want to feel that sense of coolness, and I really want my skin to remain nice and moisturized. And again, from Vasanti, if you live in Canada, check out Shoppers Drug Mart and you can get this product. Really, really lovely. Next on my tray for the month of August is this product here from Jamieson. This is the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. It's been about maybe 4 weeks since I've been using this, because you would have seen this on my Instagram page, and of course at that time it was about 2 weeks in since I've been using this product. It is so good. It is just a beautiful product, and here it is right here. A little bit of this on your hand. This is scent free, and of course if you have any areas on your face where you need just a little bit of treatment, you can absolutely put this on just around the eyes, up in the side of the face, on the chin, on the crow's feet, wherever you think you need a little bit of treatment on the forehead. You can definitely put this on. This is an amazing, beautiful, light serum, and your skin feels absolutely beautiful and amazing with this. In a matter of weeks, your skin will definitely change. It feels absolutely wonderful on the skin. And again, this is from Jamieson. It's the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Again, it's a Canadian brand. You will definitely love this. Next on my tray for the month of August is this cleanser from Laroche Posay. This has 2% salicylic acid, and this is oil free. And of course, if you are an oily lady and you're looking for products to combat those oily skin, those oily T-zone, please, this is a product for you. I've used this before, and I've talked about this product until I am blue in the face. Okay, I talked about this line several times. This is an amazing line. They understand the biology of skin, and they create their products geared to your skincare issues and your skincare problems. You must try this line. I do have their moisturizer that I use in as well. It's an oil-free moisturizer. If you want to have that mattified skin throughout the day, that moisturizer is for you. But in any case, I've added this to my tray for the month of August. So next, I do have the samples here from Nuxe, which I'm excited to try. This is a super serum. This is an anti-aging concentrate, okay? And I don't think I've ever used their skincare products before, but I'm very much interested in trying these. And I think I must have tried the dry oil before. This is a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body, and hair. Looking forward to trying that. And this is a super serum for the eyes. So I'm again looking forward to trying these. And of course, if I do like them, I will be definitely purchasing from this brand, because I mean, they've been around for a very long time, and it is a really, really good brand as well. And so last but not least, we are going to talk about this lipstick. And of course, you can tell from the package, it's a nude one, okay? I'm just a nudist lately for some reason. You know, my lipstick color changes from time to time, but I am in the nude. I am in the nude right now. This is a beautiful shade of lipstick. I mean, I have not worn this before, but look at the shade. Oh my God. OMG. I cannot wait to wear this. This is so pretty, and it feels very, very soft. So I can't wait to wear this. I will definitely come back and do a makeup look using this lipstick. And again, the name of this lipstick is going to be down with the description box, because of course, you guys know that I'm blind as a bat, right? I can't see a thing. Anywho, this is the lipstick right here. And so these are all the things I wanted to share with you guys that's in my tray for the month of August, my beauty and skincare tray. I am going to leave all of these things in the description box for you guys, and I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Please come back next week for another video, and I shall see you later. Toodles!